In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use OneNote keyboard shortcuts. Keyboard shortcuts are an amazing way to speed up your workflow, navigate your notebooks faster, and keep your hands on the keyboard instead of constantly reaching for the mouse. Once you get familiar with the shortcuts, you'll notice a huge improvement in efficiency while taking notes, organizing content, or managing tasks. To start, let's look at some of the most commonly used shortcuts. Pressing Ctrl+N creates a new page instantly, allowing you to start a fresh note without any delays. If you want to switch between notebooks quickly, use Ctrl+G to open the notebook pane. For moving between sections within the same notebook, Ctrl+Tab lets you cycle through sections efficiently. Similarly, Ctrl+Page Up and Ctrl+Page Down navigate between pages, so you can jump back and forth without scrolling. OneNote also has shortcuts for formatting, which makes your notes more readable. For instance, Ctrl+B applies bold to your text, Ctrl+I makes it italic, and Ctrl+U underlines the selected text. If you want to create a bulleted list, press Ctrl+Shift+L, and OneNote will start a bulleted list at your cursor. For checklists, pressing Ctrl+1 will add a to-do tag, making it simple to mark tasks without taking your hands off the keyboard. Navigating and organizing content is also faster with shortcuts. Ctrl+T inserts a new table, while Ctrl+Alt+1 through Ctrl+Alt+6 lets you apply heading styles to text, making it easy to structure your notes. To quickly search within a notebook, press Ctrl+E to open the search box. If you need to undo or redo changes, Ctrl+Z and Ctrl+Y work, just like in other Microsoft apps. OneNote has even more shortcuts for efficiency, such as Ctrl+Shift+M to dock the OneNote window or F7 to run a spell check. Using these consistently can save you minutes every day, which adds up significantly over time. If you ever forget en face shortcut, OneNote often displays keyboard hints when hovering over buttons in the ribbon, so you can learn them as you go. By incorporating keyboard shortcuts into your daily OneNote routine, you'll be able to take notes, format content, navigate between pages, and manage tasks much faster, all without breaking your flow. Learning just a few key combinations can transform how quickly you work in OneNote. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss any future tips and tutorials.